Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the JBL 115 versus the 215 TWS to see which one sound the best and which one you should buy if you are considering buying earbuds. First one being looking at the JBL 115. This is the latest released. So let me go through the spec. It's around £70, come in black and white, 21 hour of playtime, 6 hours on the earbuds and 15 hours on the case. Both earbuds work individually. It's come with a built-in 5.8 dynamic driver, so quite loud. Voice assistant supporting Bluetooth 5.0 and no IP rating. It's come with a USB-C for charging. It's a quite a small earbuds. The next one we are looking at is the 120 TWS, released almost a year ago. £50, come in black, blue and pink. 16 hour of playtime, 4 hours on the earbuds and 12 hours on the case. It's have one earbud have built-in drivers. It's come with a 5.8 dynamic driver. It's exactly the same as the 115. Bluetooth 4.2. No IP rating. It's come with a micro USB for charging. Come to the earbud. Earbud is slightly bigger, so it's not suited for everyone because some people have a very small ears and small ear canals. You can see the difference. So this will be a bigger case and there's quite smaller case. On the earbud, they are very small earbuds, much more smaller than the 120. Not only that, it will fit in your ears and you can go for running, jogging. I use it for cycling. So far I haven't dropped one of the earbuds. When it comes to phone calls, they are really good on the phone call. I take phone call while I'm cycling, so if you look at it, it's quite a bit different on the ear cups and also on the size of the earbuds. It's on full volume, so hi guys, this is the audio from JBL Tune 1. I'm outdoors, so I'm close to a traffic light. Hope you're able to hear me very clearly. So same thing, same song. We're gonna play in full volume so you can hear the difference in the audio.
Through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Oh, getting caught in the maze is a minute that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light. When it comes to dynamite, ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. I just wanna party all night long. I do it all for fun. Don't need your love.
I am outdoor, close to a traffic light, so you should be able to hear my voice very clearly. If you are planning to take, if you're going to take vocal on this earbud, this is how it's going to sound on the other side. We have tried different type of audios to make sure he didn't miss out anything on the audio test. Both of the earbuds have really good audio, so it is quite hard to decide actually. So you have two earbuds from the same company, and both of them have really good price, and the audio is very much identical. So both of them have a 5.8 dynamic driver, and they have a same frequency, low frequency as well as a high frequency. The response is pretty much exactly the same. There is a few things that is going to make the difference which one to go for. One is the earbud size. So if you're a person on a smaller earbud that is fitting your ears without sticking out, and if you want it for sports, I will go for the 115, which is the smaller earbud. And if you have a slightly bigger ears and you want an earbud that it will be fitting your ears without falling, then I will go for this. Again, you can argue that if I get a small earbuds, I can use it for the bigger ears as well as the smaller ears. It is fair, yeah. You can use them for both ears. In my opinion, this is more comfortable than this. So it's gonna be the Bluetooth 5.0, and so older ones have Bluetooth 4.2. Definitely a much better connection, so you wouldn't experience a random connection cuts. Third thing, it is going to be a battery life. The newer earbuds come with a 21-hour of playtime, and the 120 tuned 120 is an overall of 16 hours of battery. Then you have built-in drivers in one of the earbuds. Both of them don't have audio control on the earbuds. There is no volume rockers or volume control at all on the earbuds. So you need to use your smartphone to control the audio. For the price, this is going to be £58, this is going to be £90. If you don't want to spend too much money on an earbud, I will go for the older model, and if you do have a bit more to spare, then I will go for the 115. The main reason being is the battery life. Earbud work individually, Bluetooth connection, USB-C for charging. So definitely I will go for these over the 120. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope this video helped you decide which one to go for. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.